Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can determine something known as an alternative ratio using Microsoft Excel and my stikpetE add-in. This add-in is available from my GitHub account. Once you downloaded the file there, you can open Excel, go for File Options, Add-ins and go, browse to the file and then select it. You might have to right click on it and actually unblock the file in the properties. But I'm sure you can find something on Google on how to do that. This alternative ratio can be used as an effect size measure for a one sample binomial or one sample proportion test. This video will show you how you can determine the value, not so much on the interpretation or how to actually if you should actually be using it. There are some alternatives like coen G or coen H for one sample. I have separate videos on that. Now, the alternative ratio is simply actually the observed proportion divided by the expected proportion. The function in the stikpetE library can determine this is ES for effect size, alt ratio for alternative ratio. Select the data, which should be a specific range, so not an entire column. And then if you like, you can specify which two categories you want to include. List those also again then vertically. P0 would be the expected proportion and the category you want to use as the first category for which you want the alternative ratio, and the P0 is actually being used for. You can also specify that. So for example, I'm using here the alternative ratio on my data, and as you can see it spits out both of them, for the first category and the second category. If I adjust that category to 2, then it will actually flip these two, as you can see. And as you might notice, they're both actually just how far off they are from a 1. So if I would do equals this one minus 1, I get 0.478, and if I do 1 minus that one, I also get the same result. So once you have one, if it's below 1, you can actually determine the other as well. Alright, the source for this is actually from online sources on cross-validated and from a program called PASS. Its documentation actually also shows this one. Alright, I hope this was helpful and thank you for watching.